Hi everyone, I'm Samantha. I tell you some nature. Nature is very interesting, and everybody's go for walks, and they do go out for picnics, hang out with your friends, and campfires. Campers go camping, go a lot of fun, experience. Think about nature. Nature is very fun to do a lot of things. And nature is very interesting. You go out, do something like roast marshmallows and make s'mores. And best part is basketballs, basketball games, football games, and best part is softball games. And that's all sports in summer. And best part is swimming. It's fun. Swimming is a fun place to do. And do laps. And we do fun things in the summer. And this summer will be hot in the 90s all week. But you know what? It's going to be the best thing in the whole world. Think about summer and hang out with your friends. A lot more. Trust me. Summer is fun. You do wild things, do parties, dancing, singing. Yeah, that's nature things we can do. Soccer games, and that's nature. Everything's about nature. We do a lot of things together. Nature is the best thing to do. Is clean garbage. You don't. We cannot throw stuff out the window. You can't. That's a bad thing to do. What we need to do is clean the earth. That's the best thing in the world. And clean the world. Everything's clean. Trust me. You don't want to live like this because it's bad. Trust me. T- Tell adults to help you to clean the earth. And let me know. Comment my video and you want to see more. Let me know. Bye, YouTube.